Students, I am going to explain the sixth exercise in first chapter. In this, given that loss of exponents and powers, we have already studied in class 8. We know that once we will go through that loss of exponents. First one, if the bases are same, we have to add. In multiplication, we have to add the powers. That means the law is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, and a power n whole power n that equal to a to the power of m into n, and a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, a power m into b power n. So here that both powers are same, that both are n. A power n into b power n equal to ab whole to the power of n. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, and a power minus n equal to 1 by a power n, and root a equal to a power 1 by n. Now that first question is given, we have to find the value of the given numbers. 64 whole to the power of 1 by 2. By prime factorization, we can get that 64 means square of 8. 8 square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here we can use that law, that is a power n whole power m equal to a to the power of n into m. Means that is 8 square into 1 by 2. Here 2 and 2 will cancel. We will get 8 to the power of 1 means that is 8. And in question number 2, it is given 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5. By the prime factorization, we can write in the powers of 2, that is 32, we can write 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. Again, we will use the same law, that is a power n whole power m equal to a power n into m. Here 5 and 5 will cancel, 2 to the power of 1 means again 2 we will get. And this one you can try. And in question number 2 is given 9 whole to the power of 3 by 2. 9 means square of the 3, 3 square into again 3 by 2. 2 will cancel, we will get 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27 we will get. And in second one, 32 whole to the power of 2 by 5. 32 we can write 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 2 by 5. Again this 2 will multiply. 5 and 5 will cancel. 2 square we will get. 2 square means that is 2 2s are 4. And this one you can try, I think. And in fourth one, that is given 125 whole to the power of minus 1 by 3. Minus is given in the power. 125 we can write that 5 cube. 125 as we can write 5 cube whole to the power of minus 1 by 3. Again 3 will cancel. 5 to the power of minus 1 means that will be 1 upon 5. And in question number 3, 2 to the power of 2 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 5. Here bases are same. We can use that law, that is a power n into a power m equal to a to the power of m in n plus m. Here 2 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, we will get 2 to the power of 13 by 15. And in second, 1 by 3 cube whole to the power of 7 is given. Means again here we can use that a power n whole power m equal to a power n whole power m equal to a to the power of n into m. Means that is 1 to the power of 7 is 1. 3 to the power of 3 into 7 means 3 to the power of 21 we will get. And these two you can try. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.